Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, man. Y'all see that behind me, man? First of all, I'm at the Georgia World Congress Center, the auto show. Okay, yes. All right. Now, one of the things that caught my eye when I walked in was this. Y'all see that? That is the Wagoneer. Okay. Now we do not even have these at the dealership, but and I don't know when they're gonna show up. This is the first time I'm seeing one. I will admit I haven't saw one. Okay, up live, up close. Now, when these people get out, we're gonna go. Me and my nephew here. I'm here with my nephew. He's been playing the little games at the car show. This is an inside car show, so it's not like Caffeine and Octane where we all outside. But and it's some more Dodge product. Y'all know I'm a Dodge guy, right? But I will explore some different makes and models. Okay, I will go over and take a look and see what Lexus been up to, guys, and what the competitors been up to. Okay, you know, Dodge FCA, Stellantis got to stay up on their game. It's, what is that, Wrangler back there? It was something else I seen. Where it is? Okay, this is all a Jeep lineup. So I'm technically in the Jeep. I'm in the, yes, you can tell I'm in the Jeep. I'm in the Jeep area. All right, so those Hellcats and those things like that, they all over there. So we're gonna go and check those out. But yes, guys, the Wagoneer, Jeep Wagoneer, looks good. I don't know if we can pop the hoods or not. I don't know if we're able to look under the hood, but I'm curious to know what's under there. So I'm gonna ask this lady over here what is exactly under this hood, because inquiring minds want to know. Y'all see that? All right, guys, check out the grill. Yes, beautiful, man. Oh my goodness, I still want to know what's under the hood. Okay, it's on the same similar lineup as the Durango. I don't know.
That wasn't meant to be an idea.
Oh, okay. It's 5.7 Hemi, V8 Hemi. 4x2 or 4x4 option. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So you're right. I haven't seen such a setup. Guys, I may have to take what Tom Cook. Because I'm not familiar with this entertainment system, I foresee some training coming up on this thing. Alright. That's a rotary shifter, which could potentially indicate it has a ZF 8-speed transmission. Will it say it up here? Will it? Okay, where's the features? Standard 8-passenger. Where is the quadra-track 4x4? It doesn't tell me exactly what trans, but that rotary shifter typically indicates 8-speed. I don't want to climb under that. Did those step rails come out on their own, or what do they do? I don't know. But this is similar, guys, to the Durango Caravan. So now, I used to ride share, right? I still do. I just haven't had time to do it. This will be perfect car to do Uber and Lyft on the XL platform. All right, you will make a killing doing ride share in one of these. Number one, people will want to ride with you. Okay, they will be drooling all over the car. Now, if I did it in something like this, they would have to up the ante on the rate. Okay, no, I can't be doing that for the pennies that they offer now. All right, guys. So I want to take a look at something else before I get out of here. It's just your typical Jeep. Let's go this way. I don't know where my nephew went, so I'm gonna go over and take a look at these. I mean, it's nothing pretty spectacular about these, but because we see them every day, guys. But for those on my channel, we get ready to go. Hey, look how they did to this Ram. All right, look what they did to this Ram. Okay, guys, I have yet to grasp the full understanding. I understand how alternator works, but that's a different breed. That is a different monster. So before I speak on such a device, I want to have my P's and Q's in order. All right, look at this wide body. See, this doesn't really excite me because I see these often at the dealer. All right, But yeah, they still nice, beautiful cars. I'm in the Dodge area, so I'm sure you guys might want to see some non-Dodge area or some non-Dodge Jeep products. So what we're gonna do is venture. Look at that. See, that's the Durango, and I just left the Wagoneer. Like I say, they are similar, guys, but totally different platform. This is SRT. Yes, so this they only made a few of those, guys, and from what I'm hearing, they about to start production back up on them. According to news report, the demand is so high that they have no choice. Now that really tends to upset the general population that bought it, thinking there was only going to be a few built. They wanted to be where they only got one of only 2,000 ever built. But now the plans have changed. Okay, so production's about to start back up, man. So I feel for those people. All right. But at the end of the day, guys, it's all about money. Okay, this company SRT lineup, they see a potential gold mine in building some more. Sorry if you was misled. I don't even think the word is misled, but you was under the impression that you was gonna have one of only such and such ever built. Okay, so that is not the case. Yeah, I remember the one came in at the dealership. I discussed that. Yes, these are some bad. All right, just the mere fact, this SUV with the Hellcat in it. All right, let me switch this up. So, like I say, wasn't that many built, but some people are highly upset. This is just the RT, typical RT. But I'm about to go over here, guys. Let's go and check out the Fiat. This is on the Fiat lineup, guys, which means technically I am associated with this product. Ooh, not much room, huh?
No room for the golf.
He said no room for the golf club. Where the families at out there? The families of 7. Where y'all at? This is what y'all need, man. Minivans, as y'all know, Chrysler is the king of minivans. All right, they've been in the game ever since I can remember, as far as minivan goes. What is this compared to Subaru? What is Subaru got going on over here? Who's the big Subaru guys out there?